Evolution of calculating devices. After the abacus, guess what? People made machines to do math faster. In 1617, a man named John Napier invented wooden rods with numbers engraved on them called Napier bones, used for multiplication. Then in 1642, Blaise Pascal built a box with turning wheels called Pascal line would spin the wheel to add numbers. And in 1673, Gottfried Leibniz made a wheel calculator. It would multiply numbers just by turning time. These inventions were grandparents of today's computers. Tomorrow we will meet with real father of computer.